Oh shit! Oh my god! He looks so good. Wow. Can I hug you?
Yeah.
I didn't think we're supposed to kiss them. Oh my god, you look amazing. You look so good. Sorry, no, just go back. Wow. Look at it. You look so cool. Oh my gosh. You look amazing.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever.
From the moment we first spoke,
From the moment we first spoke,
I knew I never wanted the conversation to end.
I knew I never wanted that conversation to end.
I knew I wanted to hold you forever.
I knew I wanted to hold you forever.
When you were happy
When you were happy
and when you were sad.
and when you were sad.
I knew I wanted to be with you forever.
I knew I wanted to be with you forever and ever,
And I still know that today.
and I still know that today.
I adore you.
I adore you.
I promise to stand by you forever.
I promise to stand by you forever
Through everything that life throws at us.
through everything that life throws at us.
Together,
Together, nothing can stop us.
I never understood what people meant when they said, when you find the one, you'll know.
but when I laid eyes on you,
But when I laid eyes on you, I just knew there was something special about you.
I don't know.
I don't know if it was your ginger cornrows or your smile, or that when I said that I like horses, you jumped over the fence and found one to kiss. But from then on, I knew that I had found my person and that you would do anything for me. And since that day, we have grown so much and we've been through so much, but it has only brought us together. I couldn't imagine my life without you. You make me a better person, and I'm so excited to be your wife, and that the day that we've been looking forward to for years has finally come, and that we are going to get married. I love you.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd
It's with great pleasure that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kyle, you may kiss your bride.
I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this
So today's not only the joining of Katie and Kyle, it's also the joining of the Anderson family and the Hagen family. And we'd like to welcome the Anderson family to the Hagen Mafia. Sorry, Clem. It's a family secret. Now, the Andersons are a wonderful family with many admirable traits, principal among them being hair. Kyle actually used to have quite long hair. He actually went to a party once as a Ginger Jesus. I think that's his new nickname, by the way. No, actually, that's not a good idea, sorry. Katie is a very creative lady, and she was very creative as a young child. She enjoyed painting, actually. It took some time for her to realise that her face was not the best canvas, though. She used to come home from playground and her face was just black because she put red and green and yellow and orange all over it. But in terms of face painting, she's done quite well today. It's looking very good. But all joking aside, if I could offer a couple of pieces of advice. Never think that the way the things are at a particular point in time are the way that they're going to stay. Things will always change, whether they're good or bad. Change is always constant. The other advice I would offer would be that small things over a long period of time do make a big difference, whether that might be just things like savings or words or attitude. Small things over a long period of time do make a big difference. And Katie, Mum and Dad, we love you. You've overcome many obstacles, and it's so nice to see you today as a beautiful, confident young woman.
I've been thinking for weeks, like, what do I write? And this morning I was taking a trip in the car, which I wasn't expecting to take. And I heard on the radio something that I've heard numerous times over the last few weeks, which I'll get to soon. But I feel Kyle was always searching for something. If he knew what he was searching for, I don't know. All I know is he's found it. He's found someone that makes him happy. I'm sure sometimes frustrated, but happy. I'm proud of who you have grown up to be, Kyle, even though you've still got some growing up to do. And that will come with time. Just remember, no matter what things or possessions you want or have, you will always want more. The only true thing that we own is the moments in time, so cherish these like today and the many you will have in the future. I love you both. Welcome to the family, Katie.